If you're thinking about making a move in or around Cincinnati, Ohio, and this is your first time visiting the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the bell so you are notified anytime we upload new content. My name is Shane Meenach with Meenach Properties. My business partner and life partner, Michelle, is working the camera today. Say hi, Michelle.
Hi.
All right. Today we're going to do a tour in New Richmond, Ohio, which is about 20 miles east of downtown Cincinnati, straight up State Route 52, right along the Ohio River. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch with an office that sits on 4.5 acres. So if you're looking for a lot of space, this could be yours. All new siding. This has been completely remodeled. This is the original door. This house was built in 1969, and they don't make them like this anymore. I can guarantee you that. As we walk into the living room or the family room, depending on what you would call it, the first thing that I would notice would be the high ceilings and all of the natural light. You have the bay window. Some people call it a bow window, but it lets in a ton of light. And the openness allows you, if you're the entertaining type, no matter where you're sitting, whether it be in this room or in the dining room area, everyone can share in on the conversation. All brand new carpet, as I mentioned earlier. And as we walk into the dining room, this is new flooring, vinyl flooring, into the dining room, and it flows directly in to the kitchen. All right, as we move over out of the dining room into the kitchen, you can see it's all brand new stainless steel, upgraded appliances. I believe they might even be smart appliances. Looks like they're all LG. And again, all brand new. And you can see the brand new flooring here. You have an extra room here. It could be a sitting room, or you could, you could just about put whatever you wanted in here. Okay, let's go into the first bedroom, master bedroom. Again, all brand new carpet, double closets, newer windows, and again, high ceilings with a ceiling fan. All right, down the hallway, we'll find the other 2 bedrooms, an office that could be used as a 4th bedroom, and the laundry with a mudroom. So here's a bedroom here. Again, very high ceilings, lots of space. Here on the right would be the office, but could be a 4th bedroom if you needed that extra space. The bathroom is a full bath, and it has a new toilet and tub with these really cool, you don't see these very often, these rounded glass doors going into the tub and shower. Lots of room for the ladies to get ready in the morning before they head off to work. And then the last bedroom here, again, nice high ceilings, plenty of room, a lot of natural light, fair amount of closet space. And then into the oversized mudroom and utility room with washer and dryer, brand new washer and dryer. Brand new HVAC system as well with the new vinyl floors in here. All right, so down the hall here, back going into the dining room area is there is an additional room off of the back, which would be a 3-season room. Again, tons of light, sliding door, which is easy to open and close, where you could enjoy cup of coffee or watch the game on the weekends or whatever. But again, ton of light and a nice space to entertain family and friends. Let's go back outside and we'll go around the property. Again, like I said earlier, it is all new siding, and there has been some additional upgrades as well. Side of the home, you have this carport with a poured patio slab, all new landscaping here, and also another entry, step up entry into the home. And then back here you have additional parking and a circle drive all the way around the property, so plenty of room for entertaining your family or your friends. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch with an office, 1,400 square feet, that sits on 4.5 acres, is listed for sale for $295,000 and qualifies for USDA financing, which means no money down. If you have any more questions about this property or any other property or about USDA financing, be sure to give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and we'll help you make a smooth move to New Richmond, Ohio. Again, my name is Meenach with Meenach Properties, and I hope to see you real soon.